Hi, my name is Kayla Winters. I'm the proud owner of the Lunar Radiance Wellness Center, and today I'm going to be going over a mini lesson for Satya, which is a Yama, and Yamas are basically restrictions or restraints that we should place on ourselves to basically live a happier and healthier life. And so this specific Yama, Satya, is all about non-lying and truthfulness. And so when thinking about truthfulness, allowing and aligning that with being able to speak your truth, and that just made me think of the throat chakra. And so today we're going to be doing some stretches with the throat, really harnessing and healing, allowing that throat chakra to spin in a clockwise circle to promote our ability to speak our truth. So we're gonna go ahead and start off today's practice sitting up nice and tall, really allowing ourselves to be rooted in our seat and allow our spine to become nice and tall. Breathing in, breathing out, releasing the shoulders. Breathing in once again, focusing here on the throat. I speak my truth. One more breath here. And on our next inhale, I'm going to invite you to gently and kindly drop your right ear over to your right shoulder, feeling the stretch through the left side of the neck here. Beautiful. You can use your hand for support if needed. And on your next inhale, gently and kindly using that hand to help you come back to center. Breathing in, breathing out. I speak my truth. When you're ready, taking another nice deep breath in. And as you exhale, inviting that left ear to come and rest toward the left shoulder here. Breathing in. Breathing out, feeling that stretch to the right side of the neck here. I speak my truth. On your next inhale, gently and kindly coming back up to center. This time we are going to go front to back. So taking another nice deep breath in. And as you exhale, gently and kindly releasing the chin to the chest. Breathing in, breathing out. I speak my truth. Beautiful job. On your next inhale, you can use your hands to help you if you'd like. Gently coming back up to center, breathing in, breathing out. Taking another nice deep breath in. And as you exhale, inviting the head to gently and kindly come on back. Making sure that we're focusing just simply on the neck, so we're not coming into a back bend here. Just kindly and gently bringing the face up to the sun. Using your hands to support you as you need. Breathing in. Breathing out. On your next inhale, using your hands if you need to, coming back up to center. Breathing in, breathing out. I'm going to invite you to come up onto your hands and knees here into a tabletop position. I'm going to invite you to bring your knees and ankles together. And go ahead and allow the top of the foot to rest on the mat here. Taking another nice deep breath in. And as you exhale, walking on back, coming into thunderbolt pose. Beautiful job. Taking a minute here to just feel your power and strength. Knowing that as you speak your truth, that strength is there with you. Taking one more neck stretch here, taking a nice deep breath in. And as you exhale, inviting the head to gently and kindly fall back as the face rises to the sun. Focusing on the throat chakra here, I speak my truth. Beautiful. On your next inhale, using your hands to kindly guide your head back up to neutral. And we're going to go ahead and walk ourselves forward, coming out of this thunderbolt pose. You're welcome to do a couple ankle circles if you need yourself to undo. Great job. And then we're going to go ahead, keeping our legs close together if that feels good. We're going to come into a child's pose if you need to. You're more than welcome to open up those knees, allowing space for the belly. I'm going to keep my legs closed, pressing the hips on back, really allowing the head to gently and kindly fall to the chest. I speak my truth. I speak my truth. On your next inhale, gently and kindly coming on up to the fingertips and the hands. We're going to bring our legs on over to the side, coming down onto our hips softly and gracefully. Coming into our seated position, sitting crisscross if that feels good for you today. Bring our hands gently and kindly to touch the throat. Again, if that feels good. Breathing in. Breathing out. I speak my truth. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope that you live out your Satya and speak your truth. Namaste.